Okay, we got a 1941 Willys, and these are badass cars because I like the flat black, hot rod black. Don't have to worry about parking in a Walmart. And I wish somebody do a freaking power brake burnout in this damn place and piss everybody off. And the hell with them, I don't give a shit. You can't come back here no more. Yeah, whatever, so what? And there's freaking playing Dion in the background. You know that jerk is freaking come out there with YouTube, gonna block it. So they got a 6-speed. Wow, this thing can cruise. This thing's got a 6-speed in it, so this thing will freaking get out on the highway, no matter what the hell gears it's got, and probably rev at 1700 RPM. So that's good. This is a badass car, man. I beat the shit out of this damn thing. I tell you the truth, I wish I had it. You know, the thing is, this thing will cost you a lot of money, really. You know, what motor is that? Do you know? It's not a Chevy. It's not a Chevy small block. Huh?
Yeah, I think it is. I would say.
Really?
Yep.
Maybe it just looks funny because it's sitting so low.
I would say it's probably a 350 or something. Can't tell.
Oh, you can't tell what it is by just looking at the small block.
On our sprint car, we run Chevy small block.
It looks too skinny, though. Why does it look so skinny like that? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I mean, between the distance between the valve covers looks freaking wrong, man.
Pretty good, though.
Don't look like my motor. I guess why I said it wasn't a Chevy. I thought it was a Ford or something.
It's definitely a Chevy because the distributor's in the back.
Okay, yeah, it's true. It's Chrysler 340. No, I'm just kidding. Anyway, I don't even know nothing except 383, 440 pull Mopar, and that's it. So, but it kind of pisses me off that they're not allowed to do burnouts over here. They should be able to. I hate rules. I really do. I mean, if it was up to me, I'd be going out to the golf course, throwing beer bottles up in the air and shooting them down with a pistol every once in a while. I mean, you know. I don't like these. I hate rules, man. It's stupid. Anyway. Yeah, it's an HEI distributor. That's true. That's an HEI distributor, so it would be a freaking Chevy. Somebody just looks different. I don't know why. And the alternator bracket's the same as my crap. Yeah, I guess it is. I like this thing though. It's nice and simple. I mean, it's a Willys. It makes a difference. It makes it different than the rest of everything else that's out there. I just kind of figured he just wouldn't put a small block Chevy in there because it's like it's got a different kind of car, you know. And the mirror stuck up there on a special glue, and I think that's replacement windshield, whereby the original windshield would have been 2-piece, you know. So pretty sure of that. And that thing there, I don't know what that is. Maybe a garage door opener or something. I don't know. But it's a good color to have because you want something that reflects radar and you know, point your radar gun at you, or they're trying to get you from the helicopter. And then, you know, you can put some cami netting in the trunk with some tent pins in case they're catching up to you. You can pull off on the side of the road and make yourself look like a bush, right? You never know you're there. So, anyway, it's my imagination, but I would do what my imagination says.